Hi everyone, it's Mylin here. I just thought I'd do a quick video of the update that I've got in the with my vegetables and in my little vegetable garden. This is all the plants that I planted last time, and look at the courgettes in there. I've got the aubergine, and my tomato is growing as well. I've got bit of everything in here. They're all like growing really nicely. And then in here, I've got my carrots. I've actually transplanted the carrots already. This is like a surplus carrots that I've got, but I have to put them in a bigger pot. I think, what is this now? I think this is, aubergine. This is the aubergine that I planted. And this is what Kyla did last time. She planted these broad beans, and within a few days it sprouted out already. You can see them all like coming out already. It's beautiful. It's really nice. And so this is the plant that I've got inside, because mostly they're all inside. And then I've got some more in here that I've only just um, planted today. This is all like the summer flowers that I'm actually going to have. And then in here, I think this is the labanos, like a muli. And then in here, I've got the naga chili, and then some more of the Filipino aubergine. So I'm hoping that they will be all right. And then outside, just going to show you. This is the. Do you remember I think it was a few weeks ago, I planted the lily, the bulb, that I've actually the spring bulb. Look how much they're growing now. Look, they're really growing really nicely. And they're all really growing. And I'm actually quite amazed how fast they've grown. So I think they're actually pink and white lilies. And I've got my peas in here. Look, all my peas are out now. They're all out. I've just only just put this yarn, that jute yarn in there, just for them to climb onto, just to give them a bit of a helping hand. And look, they're all like, just put them out like that so they can climb. Yeah. So, and then I've got this is the plant that I planted last year, the lupins. And I think this is a puppy, really big puppy. I've actually planted this puppy I think it was autumn last year. And they actually like growing wild. It's actually quite nice. They came back. I've got my sweet corn in here. I've got my courgettes. I've actually put the courgettes out early this year, so I'm hoping I will have a really good crop with them this time. Got some carrots in there, some of my carrots and beetroots, courgettes, and I've got the little sweet corn. And this is the French climbing beans. They're really easy to grow as well, really easy. And this is all my, that's the iris. They're all like growing, you see. That's the bulb. I'm looking forward for these flowers. They will be really nice flowers. And the thing is, they come back every year because they're bulb. Got some precious in there. They're all like coming out. And then this is I think this is the gladiolus. They're all coming out. And that's my carrots in there. And I've got the runner beans in here last year. I've got the runner beans in here last year, and they're really lovely. I love runner beans. Look, they're all sprouting. This one is gladiolus. I think they're all like sprouting out now. And then I've got some bulb in here as well, dahlia. They're all like sprouting out. And I've got my this is my strawberry. Come back every year. And look, they've got flowers now. So you can see they've got flowers already. So they will be fruit on it soon. um, so that's my strawberry bed. And I've got some runner beans in there as well. Got my radish. That's my last year. We've got a lot of radish last year. My radish in there. And then in this enclosure, I've got my salad. You might know that we've already harvest the salad the other day when we had a barbecue, and it's so nice. This is the I've cut them out early, but I've got some visitors in the garden. I've got some snails, I think. So what I did, or slugs. So what I did, I put some slug pellet, and I've had some eggshells as well. So that's my lettuce. That's my celery. And then this is my cabbage in there, and I've got my this is my onions, shallots in here. In here I've got some beetroot, and then I've got leeks in there as well. So they won't be ready till before Christmas, the leeks, but I just thought it's really nice to have them. Didn't have them last year. And I've got some spinach over in that side. I've got my garlic in there, and then my pak choy. Look at my pak choy. I've just planted them straight in the in here in the bed, and I didn't even plant them in a little pot. I just planted them, and they look all right. I've got some more that I'm actually going to plant, so that once we've harvested that, we've got some more. And this is the flower that I've actually planted a few weeks ago as well. I think it was last month. This is the lupin. Look, they're all, I'm looking forward to it. That's really nice. My foxglove. And this is the sunflower. They're all and then cosmos. Cosmos is my favorite, one of my favorite summer plants. We had a lot of cosmos last year, and it's really nice when you cut them. Nice when you put them in the basin on the table. And then in here I've got my my broccoli. I've actually planted them quite early outside, but because I am running out of space inside, so I have to plant them outside now. So, but last year we had loads of broccoli last year, so it's really nice to have them. And I've got some in here. I've got my runner beans in there, so I'm hoping the runner beans will climb up over that side. And then I've got my herbs planted directly. Planted the herbs in here already. This is the mint. That's mint that I've got last year. And I've got the tarragon, celery, chives that came back from last year. And this is this bed is the gladiolus. I'm looking forward to this flower. And I've got in here, I've got my potato. All this will be potato. And this, once I've got my upo, my battle gourd ready, I'm going to use this as a climbing frame for the battle gourd. So we've actually got a nice climbing frame for that. And this is the rhubarb. This Nick is so proud of this. That's his plant, rhubarb. So he likes that rhubarb. So I'm looking forward for the vegetable this year. So I'm hoping for a really nice vegetables, so we don't have to buy vegetables through the summertime. But it just shows, when you planted them, it's so easy to plant them. I haven't had any experience in planting vegetables. I've only just started last year, and I've just actually learned from YouTube and some tutorials in YouTube, and just read about it. I haven't had any experience at all, and this is my second year doing vegetables again. And it just shows that when you're with a hard work, and we just try to to learn from it and learn what you've actually I've learned so much from last year, that I've learned from my mistake, and I know that I know that I can actually do it again this year. So it just shows with a lot of patience and hard work. And look, this is the oxalis that I actually planted. Look, they're all like coming out. That's a really nice oxalis. And that's my broad beans in there. That's all the spring bulb that I've got. I think this is I'm not really sure if it's what kind of plant is this one, but that's all the bulb that I've got. They're all coming out, so I'm looking forward to it. So I'll see you again next time once I've got some update. So I'll let you know again next time on how I'm getting on. Okay, bye everyone.